She reads me a story and then she sings me a song. She kisses me goodnight and she tucks me in. Mommy always works. I think I know one bad dessert. She ignores me. One time my brother threw up on my mom. Happy Mother's Day. I saw a lot.
Ta-da! No. Happy Hats Day to you. Happy Hats Day, dear Timothy. Wheat allergy doesn't like clowns. Oh, boy. Happy Hats Day to you. That's me, Red.
Ever since I was a kid,
I never really fit in. No one understands me. Nice chatting with you.
There seems to be a recurring issue here. Anger.
I don't think I have an anger issue. I think you got an anger issue. Are you aware that that robe that you're wearing isn't fooling anybody? Voila!
Oh my God.
Something's coming! What is that thing?
Greetings from the world of the pig.
These pigs are mysterious and weird, am I right? I don't trust them. I think they're up to something.
Your opinion is not needed.
Beak! Wing! Giblets!
That went well, if you're me.
The pigs are stealing our eggs!
Set sail for Piggy Island. You tried to tell us, but we didn't listen. What do we do now?
That is where they went. And so that is where we're going.
It's showtime!
Ugh. We're gonna get those eggs back. Come on, we're birds. We're descended from dinosaurs. We're not supposed to be nice.
Holy moly!
Yeah, point made. Time to get angry.
Fire! That guy again.
Take that, Porker!
Well, how about that? She can shoot fireballs out of her butt.
I told you not to mess with me! Call in the Piggy Air Force!
Hey, he's coming back.
Did we win?
Can we get an ice pack for Hal?
Medic! I'm gonna get a running start! I wasn't ready!
Chuck, is that you?
This is the House of Horror!
Oh my gosh.
Did you know that The Bible and Planet of the Apes are the only G-rated movies to show nudity? Want more movie facts? Click on more videos, or for the latest trailers, click on the playlist.